Hey everyone, and welcome back. Well, this will be a super quick lesson, and it's intended to answer one question and one question only. Do matrices recycle? Yes, absolutely. Matrices are very responsible, and just like vectors and other operations, matrices recycle. Do you remember what recycling is? Well, in the context of matrices, if you specify dimensions that cannot be filled up by what you have in the vectors you're bending or binding, or will recycle the vectors so your matrix is complete. For example, if I passed the vector from 1 to 10 in the matrix function and made it explicit that I want my matrix to contain 4 rows and 4 columns, effectively needing 16 values, R will recognize that my vector is too short for the matrix, and it will repeat it until all 16 value spots hold a value. As you see, in this particular case, R also issues a warning that 10 is not a multiple of the number of rows, but that isn't usually consequential. In any of the cases it does that, so don't worry about it. So, the moral of the story here? Well, be aware that recycling will happen if necessary in some matrix operations. That's it, that is the whole lesson. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next one.
For more videos like this one, please subscribe.